Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by watching ads this 2022. It has multiple payment methods including Payeer, Skrill, PayPal, bank transfer, and more. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure not to miss the important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The first website I'll introduce to you today is aticlicks.net. So go ahead and visit it in your browser right now. You can make a lot of money with only the few procedures I explained previously. Oh, and by the way, you should not skip any part of this video because it is all part of the process. And I don't want you to miss anything. Returning to ATI Clicks, you can start earning extra money for your online activities such as these. Completing high-paying surveys, offers, introducing people, joining various contests, and participating in paid-to-promote activities or PTP and task bonuses are all ways to earn. For this video, however, they have a variety of options from which to choose in order to gain money. I'd like you to focus on this right now, visiting websites as directed by me. Simply by clicking on advertising on the websites I'm about to show you in the video, you might make a lot of money. If you're feeling sneaky, head over to the section of the website to see how open they are. The total number of members, total number of adverts visualized, total number of offers completed, and total amount paid are all visible, with the knowledge that has been given to you for free. You shouldn't be concerned because this only proves that this website is genuine and trustworthy. If you need any more proof, go here to see the website's most recent payouts to these people. The flag of the country they belong to may be seen next to their username, suggesting that this method is widely used around the world. Aside from that, our website takes accessibility to a whole new level by allowing you to select your chosen payment method, depending on what you have or what you believe is appropriate for you. You can choose PayPal, Skrill, bank transfer, and a range of other methods. You are free to browse the website at your leisure because everything is provided for you. You'll discover everything you need to know on the website. Now go all the way down to the bottom of the page where you'll see proof of payments right here. You'll be brought to the screen after pressing that button, which shows all of the payments made to hundreds of users all over the world. As you can see, this technique works since these people have made money in the past and are happy with their profits. And you may be one of them. I'm sure you're eager to get started, so let's get started making money right away. Signing up for a free account is the first thing I'd like you to do. Return to the main page and then click this register button, which can be found in the upper right corner of the page. If you're on the fence about registering, don't be, because it doesn't matter whether you have prior experience or are from a different country. Anyone on the planet can use ATI Clicks regardless of their level of experience, making it ideal for newcomers like you and me. You will not be charged anything during the registration process, so go ahead and click that register button. You'll be directed to this page where you may fill in your full name, username, email address, password, birth year, and birthplace. Simply fill out all of the forms with your information, then check the box next to the line, "I'm not a robot." Finally, check this box to confirm that you've read the ATI Clicks guidelines and agreed to follow them. And you're done. Simply click the sign up button and in 1, 2, or 3 clicks, you'll have your own aticlicks.net account. After successfully logging into your account, you now have access to the leaderboards where you can see who has owned the most money since the beginning. You can look at their total earnings and other information to motivate yourself to keep working hard so that one day you too will be at the top of the leaderboard. Now, how do you get to the top when you're on the website? And you can see right here that the entire page is littered with banners and advertisements. Banner ads are those that appear at the top of the page and are the most popular. The more banner advertisements you click on, the more money you can make. So let's have a look at an example. Pay close attention to what I'm about to demonstrate. I'm going to click on this banner ad right here when we're brought to the random page, and then I'll be taken to this website. The next thing we'll do is something really basic. No sweat, no hard effort, and no special abilities are necessary. All you have to do is spend at least half a minute on this website. It is not necessary for you to click on anything or interact with the website in any way. However, there is one little step you must take before money is credited to your account. You must browse and scroll up and down the page only to keep busy, because if you do not move at all, the website will become idle and no money will be given to you, since they will presume you are an automated system or a robot. You can earn money on a regular basis if you prove them wrong simply scrolling over the page. Many users make this deadly mistake, but thankfully for you, I'm here to warn you about it because I want you to make as much money as possible. You can select to click on as many better advertisements as you want. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Let's have a look at the second way to get paid a lot of money rapidly. The second way involves clicking on daily fix ads and waiting 10 to 15 seconds for a payout. This method is, by the way, 100% effective, and you can read their feedback by returning to the proof of payment area. So similar to how banner advertising works, let me walk you through how you'll go about implementing this plan. Simply click on any of the daily fix advertisements, and you'll be directed to any random website. Stay on that random page for at least 10 seconds and do something, even if it's only a fast scroll up and down, to demonstrate to them that you are a real human being viewing their website using those easy steps. That is a straightforward technique to earn money. What's more, you may repeat this process as much as you like, allowing you to make an endless amount of money. At this moment, are you still with me? You'd better be, because in a few minutes, I'll show you an extra step that you can use to make a lot more money over and over again. Are you interested in learning more about this bonus step? Consider yourself fortunate that you're learning about it, because it's actually quite simple and low-key. My recommendations is to make it a point to complete and click 5 daily fix ads every day, because doing so gives you access to regular advertising, which allows you to multiply your earnings tenfold by simply repeating the process. Simply click on the standard ad to be taken to the random website where you must stay for at least 30 seconds. Make sure you scroll up and down to prove you're not a robot. You'll be able to make a lot of money quickly in no time. In the next section of the video, I'll give you another tip that will almost certainly increase your winnings when you check the leaderboards. As you can see, they make a lot of money using a referral earning system. So how will you come up with these sums of money? You can earn hundreds of dollars by inviting friends, family, and coworkers to join ATI clicks. You can earn a lot more money by referring your friends, family, and coworkers. This is the ultimate money-making machine, because you can earn money by simply clicking on advertisements and by referring others to the website. That is fantastic! I'd like you to visit a website called dimeforum.com, where you can find hundreds of talks and posts from people all over the world who want to share their knowledge and ideas about how to make money online. This forum is very active, and you can join for free with no strings attached. Now, how are you going to make use of the second website? Answering questions on the forum on this website allows you to generate traffic. Simply enter keywords related to online money making, and you will be presented with a slew of queries that match those keywords. I'd like you to click on a question and scroll all the way down until you find a space to respond to it. These individuals want to make money online, but they are unsure how to do so. This is where you come in to save the day by telling them about aticlicks.net and proving them with free online money-making information. Simply send them to the website, and when they sign up, you'll get paid a referral fee that can be hundreds of dollars. This is incredible because you get to hit two birds with one stone, and if you think about it, you can actually help those people with money-making techniques while also making a lot of money. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by watching ads this 2022. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next one.